Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you a delicious and healthy chaat recipe with whole wheat bread made of sourdough. Now what is a sourdough? Sourdough breads are made by the extended fermentation method by which the bread dough is fermented without adding any artificial yeast or instant yeast so that the dough gets fermented with the wild yeast and lactobacillus bacteria makes it an excellent source of probiotics and lots of health benefits. This is a zero oil chaat recipe, so Weight Watchers, cheer up and binge eat. Now come, let's get started. Let's first prepare the stuffing for the bread, for which I have taken 500 grams of boiled sweet potatoes. Peel the skin off. Sweet potatoes are called superfood because they are loaded with vitamin A, which is very good for your eyesight. They have natural antioxidants called carotenoids, which protect your body from day-to-day cell damage. And well-boiled sweet potatoes, they have low glycemic index when compared to the regular potatoes. And to this add half a cup of boiled green peas. You can also add grated carrot to this to make it more and more nutritious. Mash them well with a potato masher like this. To this add half a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pink salt or Himalayan rock salt. Kashmiri red chilli powder half a teaspoon. Cumin powder half a teaspoon. Chaat masala powder half a teaspoon, followed by dry mango powder quarter teaspoon. Mix thoroughly so that all the masalas get incorporated. Now take 400 grams of curd and add a pinch of salt to it and whisk it till the curd turns smooth and creamy. Now it's smooth, keep it aside. I have taken 4 slices of whole wheat sourdough bread. Now this is the prepared stuffing. Now spread the sweet potato peas mixture over a slice of bread like this. Spread it well, spread it thoroughly and press it. Cover it with another bread slice and press gently and cut the bread sandwich diagonally just like the way I am doing. Now repeat the same process for the other 2 bread slices and arrange the sandwiches over a plate. Like this. Now arrange all the 4 sandwiches, all the slices like this. Now pour the beaten curd over the arranged bread sandwiches. Pour the curd lavishly, so that the breads get completely soaked with the curd. And sprinkle some cumin powder on top, followed by chaat masala powder and Kashmiri red chilli powder for that chatpata taste and flavor. Now drizzle some coriander mint chutney and tamarind chutney and garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves and serve immediately. Friends, please try the zero oil and easy and nutritious chaat recipe and write your valuable feedback to me in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.